What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Good morning and welcome to Selinux Crypto. And in this video, I wanted to do another analysis on Bitcoin. Excuse me, quite an early morning for me as well. Wanted to do an analysis on Bitcoin because after yesterday we dropped down quite a bit more. Yesterday when we did the analysis, I think we were just above 30k. Right now we're almost nearing that 25k key level. Apart from that, I've never seen the volume of Bitcoin this high at 16% of the market cap. So that's obviously not a great thing. That means that a lot of people are selling at this point of time. When the price is going down, volume increases. That means more sellers, or at least more volume being sold. So yeah, we have dropped down to this to this key level right here between 25,800 and 24,250. We talked about that yesterday, but I was a little bit more optimistic. I thought we would be able to hold that 29,000 level at least a little bit longer. And then from that level, I mean, there was no guarantee that we would hold that in a real bear market. So we did talk about this level around 25k, but I did not expect to reach that this soon. So again, and that might be very wrong of me, again, I do assume that we're going to hold this level. So we still have a little bit of a buffer. We can still drop down to 24k right there. And it's quite crazy that we're talking about these price levels right now. Still remember very well that month in March when we were actually getting optimistic again. But yeah, big drops, and frankly, that's the reality. So we might just find, as I said, I think we'll hold this level. But what you also tend to see is at some point of time, the price obviously is going to stop falling. And then afterwards, you sometimes will definitely see like a big bullish spike. So I think that spike could reach all the way up to 28 and 30,000. Might even reach above there, but I'd say that's very hard to do right now. So yeah, I still think this level is going to hold. If this is a real bear market though, it could definitely be that we're going to drop down lower. So the next level really is around 20k. 20k obviously a big psychological support level. That might actually be the last support in a bear market, because there are some smaller supports here at 22k and stuff. But again, that's very hard to say. So I will be analyzing all the big cryptos and Bitcoin and the whole market quite a lot the next few days. Just kind of taking everything in, seeing what's happening and seeing what's smart and what we can expect. As of right now, as I said, I think we can expect to hold this level at least like a few days. And after that, if this bearish momentum actually stays, as I said, we'll probably drop down to the next key level at 22,000 and then days afterwards down to 20,000. But that could also be a process of weeks. So I will be probably also adjusting this analysis in the upcoming days depending on what's going to happen. As for now, I am mildly bullish for the next like 2 days, but over the long term I'm or at least like for the next months, maybe even for the next year, I'm quite bearish on the whole crypto market long term. So in like 5 years or 2025, so 3 years, I'm very bullish, and I think this is absolutely the time to make money in the crypto market. But that doesn't mean it's necessarily now. That means that this is the time when the big or the altcoins are going to be created that are going to be big in 2025. So it's up to you to find them, and I'm still thinking about a way of like incorporating that on this channel, kind of to find new altcoins, to hunt for new altcoins that could do well. But yeah, that's up to those videos, and you will probably be updated about that. As for now though, this is basically my analysis on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in the next videos. Bye.